Hi everyone and welcome to Joe Lish. I got this idea for this recipe from Martha and Marley Spoon. It's for a taco seasoned steak, along with some cilantro rice and some sauteed yellow squash. So we're gonna start. I have 3 teaspoons of taco seasoning and 1 teaspoon of sugar here. And I'm gonna go ahead and mix those together and coat these 2 sirloin steaks with that mixture evenly. So it's just a rub, so you want to just give it a nice basic rub. All right, now that we've got our steak coated with the taco seasoning and sugar, we're going to let that sit aside, and we're going to make our marinated for the squash. So I've got 2 tablespoons of lime juice here, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And I'm going to go ahead and mix those together. And I also have 2 cloves of garlic grated. I have a little garlic grater. It's a Japanese grater. Works great for grating up garlic. I use that all the time. Makes it into a really fine paste, which is nice for these dressings. I'll just go ahead and mix all that together. All right, we're going to go ahead and cook the yellow and zucchini squash. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of olive oil into this pan, right? And I've got 4 cups of squash that I'm going to throw in here. Okay, meanwhile, while the zucchini and yellow squash are cooking, we're going to go ahead and add the cilantro to our basmati rice for a cilantro rice. I have 3 cups of basmati rice here. I'm just going to fluff that up. It's fully cooked. That nice fluffy grain. And I have a tablespoon of butter. I'm going to throw that tablespoon of butter in here. Mix that in. And then I have about, half a cup of chopped cilantro here. I'm going to add that in. Let it mix in there. Now we have our cilantro rice. So, everyone, through the magic of TV, you've noticed the pan has changed. That's because our smoke alarm keeps going off. I'm going to have to finish cooking this over here. Hey, girls. Oh, Tika, don't be so scared. It's okay. It's okay, Tika. It's just me cooking. All right. Now we have about a tablespoon of seeded and roasted hatch chilies that I'm going to add into here. Our zucchini and yellow squash are just about cooked. And I'm going to give it a good grind or 2 of fresh black pepper, freshly ground black pepper, and a touch of salt to taste. A couple grinds of that. Give it a good toss here. And then I have about a teaspoon of lime zest that I'm going to throw in here. Throw that on. And then I'm going to put some of our marinade in. Give it a good mix. And I'm going to put in a few teaspoons. All right. We're going to go ahead and set that aside while we cook the steak. Now we're going to go ahead and start to cook our steaks. I got a cast iron skillet over medium-high heat. You can see the taco seasoning is incorporated into the meat. Got a nice little crust there, taco seasoning. We'll go ahead and put those in. Let those cook. All right, we're getting a nice crust on these steaks. I'm going to go ahead and cook these steaks to medium rare. That's about 135 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, everyone, our steaks are cooked to medium rare, and now we're ready to do some plating. Here we have the completed dishes. If you'd like to get these ingredients delivered to your house, check out Martha and Marley Spoon. There's links on my blog. Also, don't forget to subscribe and mash the likes And check out the links below and go to my blog at joelish.com for a more detailed recipe. Thank you.